Hello everybody, it is Randy once again, Window Screen Manufacturers, the king of solar screens, and of course myscreenkit.net. Man, oh man, I'm excited about that third one, I tell you. We got another big question, plunger bolts. Well, here's a plunger bolt. And basically, well, it takes the place of, say, a spring. Especially if you have a vinyl window. These are most common with vinyl windows. They're always silver in color with a black cap. They don't, to my knowledge, I don't think anyone's ever created these to be a specific color of the frame. So what I've done here for this video is I'm just grabbing a scrap piece of 3/4 inch mil frame or silver just to show you how we do the plunger bolts. So of course, get a drill bit that's the same size, which I believe is 5/16. Don't quote me on that. And what you're going to do is take your drill, just go dead center of the frame. The best way to do this is place it down on a hard surface, preferably a piece of wood. That way when you drill through it, you're not breaking your bit if you had a piece of concrete or steel or something. So most plunger bolts are 3.5 to 4 inches from each side in. Most. Just measure to make sure that yours is also the same, or maybe yours has the entirety of the track, which I see that a lot here in the Houston area when we're out doing replacement screens on site. So then you can just put your plunger anyway. So for the demo, I'm not going to measure anything. What I'm going to do instead is take my handy dandy drill bit, and again, straight dead center of your frame. And that's why it's important to have a piece of wood. So what you can see here is I've drilled through it, came out on the other end where the spline track is at. So now we're going to take our plunger bolt, and it's 3 pieces. You've got the shaft, you've got the cap, and then right in the middle is the spring. So logic tells us to install it from the outside in, just like that. And the reason we do that is so that that spring becomes caught or stuck inside, and look, it's a spring. So then we take our black cap, put it up over the top. Now what I'm going to suggest you do is not use your fingers for that. Instead, get something hard. In this case, I'm going to use my spline roller and just pop it in. And the reason is I can't tell you how many times I and even my employees have used our fingers to close that, only to have the center of this plunger bolt poke our hand, and it hurts. It may not draw blood, but it doesn't feel very pleasant. But that's it. And then so the finish of that is see, we're plungering. I love it. And just keep in mind at the myscreenkit.net, when you ask for a custom screen, as in we're going to cut it to size, we're going to pre-roll it and then break it down. If you need plunger bolts, they're no extra charge. I dare you to check anyone, anywhere in the world. Those are always $2, $3, $10, $20, well, maybe not 20, at least a couple of bucks. But when you order it from myscreenkit.net, it comes standard in the kit, free of charge if you ask for those. So if your windows require those, be sure to ask. Hopefully that answered your question on plunger bolts, how to do it yourself, that easy. And of course, we do them for anyone here in the Houston market, naturally in front of you at your property. But that's it. You guys have a blessed day. Do me a favor. Subscribe while you're here. Like this video. And if you have any questions at all, anything that has to do with window screens, how to put them together, etc., etc., I got wrinkles, this and that, email me, kingofsolarscreens@gmail, info@windowscreenmfg.com, or right here on the YouTube channel. And I especially love it when you guys get involved with me right here on the YouTube channel, because this has been a beautiful outlet to teach and to show just how easy it is for you, the homeowner, to do it yourself. You guys be blessed. Thank you.